The YouTube video that is titled, How I Built 11 Income Streams by the Age of 23, that was produced by the YouTube channel Jensen Tung, is 10 minutes and 19 seconds in duration. Let's break it down and just look at the key points. Jensen begins by emphasizing the importance of having multiple income streams in today's economy. He points out that relying on a single source of income can be risky and limits financial growth. His first income stream is a startup called Storage Hotel, a full-service storage company. He describes this as a passive income stream as it generates revenue without requiring much of his time. He discusses his involvement in cryptocurrencies, particularly Bitcoin and Ethereum. Jensen shares his experience with cryptocurrency trading and holding, emphasizing the potential long-term value of these digital assets. His third stream is exchange-traded funds, known as ETFs, which he describes as a low-risk way to earn passive income. He explains that ETFs are a collection of stocks or bonds, allowing investors to diversify their portfolio and reduce risk. He then talks about earning income through client work, including marketing, content creation, social media management, consulting and freelancing. However, he notes that this income stream requires him to trade time for money, which he prefers to minimize. Jensen talks about his side hustle in photography, videography, and graphic design, which he says he started during his studies. He still takes on client work in this field, but focuses less on actively seeking out work. At number 6 is being a YouTuber and earning money through Google AdSense. He describes this as a foundational passive income stream for YouTubers, where revenue is generated from video uploads. Next is brand sponsorships. He discusses the income from brand sponsorships, a common revenue stream for content creators and influencers. While lucrative, Jensen notes that this income is not steady and requires constant content creation. As a YouTube guru, Tung has to mention affiliate marketing. This is another income stream where Jensen earns commissions by referring products or services through affiliate links. He mentions using Amazon Associates for affiliate marketing and earning through Patreon, where creators receive support from their audience. This all sounds great, but you have to build a trusting audience first. He, like many other YouTubers in this niche, doesn't tell you how to do that. Number 9 is licensing fees. Jensen says he has earned income by licensing his content to other platforms or companies, content such as his self-haircut tutorial video. The penultimate income stream is NFTs, standing for non-fungible tokens. He briefly touches upon NFTs as a potential income stream, although he acknowledges that it is not a significant source of income for him yet. That said, he has a clickbait video where he says he made $1 million with a dinosaur NFT, but then lost it all. And finally, no side hustle video would be complete without talking about e-commerce and online stores. Jensen plans to launch an online store, leveraging his TikTok presence to sell merchandise and products like RC cars. Feel free to tell me what YouTube gurus you like, but you wish would just get to the point and stop stretching out their explanations and including personal anecdotes to garner credibility. Let me know in the comments below. Also, if you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more.